Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this gorgeous mini hatch 1.5 Cooper Sport Steptronic. Now this vehicle has currently done 10,343 miles and it's finished in the colour chili red with the contrasting black roof, door mirrors, door handles and detailing throughout the exterior. You do have the 17-inch John Cooper Works alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This Mini does come with the comfort pack, which includes keyless entry, making access into the vehicle much easier. In the boot you'll find 278 litres of space, which can be increased to 941 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your gorgeous part leather interior with the contrasting suede in the centre of the seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you've got the John Cooper Works sport seats which really transform the interior. There's also plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat. On the steering wheel you've got your cruise control and speed limiter here. To the right, controls for adjusting the infotainment system. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data such as your average fuel economy. There's even a digital speedometer as well. In the centre of the dashboard here you do have your infotainment screen. You can control it using the dial and buttons here in the centre console. The system is also touchscreen as well, so you can use it either way. The system has DAB and FM radio. There is also USB and Bluetooth connectivity for playing your own music. Here in the communication page you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. The system also features Apple CarPlay, allowing you to pair your iPhone with the system and use compatible applications such as navigation and music streaming services. You do have your My Mini where you've got access to vehicle settings and information. You've got your vehicle status where you can see vehicle information such as your oil level. You've got your Mini Connected where you've got some applications as well as your Mini Assistance. This Mini comes with rear parking sensors to make reversing much easier. Below the display you have your automatic dual zone climate control. You also have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. Below this you have your start stop switch, your traction control and your buttons for the driving experience control. You have the options of mid, sport and green which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience. Down below you've got your 12-volt socket and USB connectivity, 2 cup holders and your automatic gear selector here in the centre. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.